प्रोफाइल ऑफ डैम। एलिमेंट्री मतलब बेसिक और प्रोफाइल यानी कि सिमिलर टू क्रॉस सेक्शन। सो elementary profile of dam. Elementary profile of dam is a right angle triangle having zero width at the water level and base width b at the bottom. So as like hydrostatic pressure diagram or hydrostatic force diagram, elementary profile of dam is same as hydrostatic pressure diagram. So number 2 is shape of profile. So shape of profile diagram is similar to the shape of hydrostatic pressure force of the dam. So this is elementary profile of dam. So we consider here the dam, the cross section of the dam of height h, where the horizontal water pressure act at h by 3 from the base of the dam. Next, water pressure u having intensity cwh, and here is 0 because of no tail water is here at the other end. So this is weight and this is resultant of all the forces. This is resultant of all the forces. So in elementary profile of dam, we mainly consider three forces. Which are they? So number one is weight of the dam, W. Number two, water pressure. Number three, uplift pressure. So weight of the dam, half BH rho W. Rho is the specific gravity of dam material. W is the unit weight of water. Next, number two, water pressure. Water pressure is equal to half WH square, which is acting at h by 3 from the base of the dam. Number three is uplift pressure. Intensity is half CWH B, where the C is uplift pressure intensity coefficient. नेक्स्ट है कि हमें दो कंडीशन याद रखना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हेन द रिजर्वायर इज एम्प्टी फॉर नो टेंशन कंडीशन, रिजल्टेंट शुड एक्ट एट अ इनर थर्ड पॉइंट M1, and when the reservoir is full for no tension condition, resultant must passes through outer third point M2. When the reservoir is empty for no tension condition, resultant should act at inner third point M1. Here is M1, here is M2. This is inner third point M1, this is outer third point M2. For empty condition, resultant should passes through M1, and for reservoir full condition, resultant of forces must passes through the outer third point, that is M2. Next, width provided should be greater of the width given by. For trace condition, B is equal to H upon under root rho minus C. And for sliding condition, B is equal to H upon rho mu into bracket rho minus C. That we will see here. So first one is to fix base width. So first one is to fix base width of dam. In that we have two criterion. First one is trace criterion and second one is sliding criterion. So first one is trace criterion. Trace criterion. हमने देखा है कि रिजर्वायर फुल कंडीशन फॉर रिजर्वायर फुल कंडीशन of no tension, resultant should pass through the M2. So we will see first the reservoir full condition. Summation of moment of all the forces at M2 for equilibrium condition, so is equal to 0. So summation of moment of all forces, so we consider here three forces: water pressure. First one is water pressure. So water pressure having formula WH square by 2, which is act at H by, which is WH square by 2 water pressure, which is act at H by 3 from base of dam. So in terms of M2, H by 3. Next one is uplift pressure. So in terms of M2, uplift pressure, in terms of M2, with respect to M2, uplift pressure act at clockwise. So we take here positive uplift pressure formula, CWBH by 2 act at B by 3. Last one is weight of the dam. So weight act at anti-clockwise. We take negative for weight. Weight formula half into BH rho W act at B by 3 from the face of the dam. Act at B by 3 from the face of the dam. So into, by simplifying this, we will get H square plus CB square minus B square rho is equal to 0. We have to find B, base width. So take it outside, B square into bracket minus C. We shift H square is here on the other side. So for B, square, H square upon rho minus C, and for B, H upon under root of rho minus C. That is 1. Next, sliding criteria. Second, for first, stress criterion. For second, sliding criteria. Second, sliding criteria. So sliding occur by the force horizontal, due to force horizontal force, that is water pressure. For so sliding force, sliding summation of H, that is WH square by 2 water pressure. And so to resist the sliding, the resisting force occur. So second is resisting force, mu summation of V. V is the friction coefficient, summation of V हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस। सो स्लाइडिंग के लिए अपोज कौन करेगा, अपोज कौन करेगा, वर्टिकल प्रेशर है करेगा। सो वर्टिकल फोर्सेस कौन सा है इधर, समेशन ऑफ वी, और समेशन ऑफ वी हमारे पास दो वर्टिकल फोर्सेस है, एक तो वेट है, दूसरा है अपलिफ्ट प्रेशर। वेट नीचे लग रहा है, अपलिफ्ट प्रेशर ऊपर लग रहा है। सो वेट नीचे लग रहा है, वी टेक एट पॉजिटिव, फॉर अपलिफ्ट प्रेशर acting at upward, so we take it negative. So summation of V is equal to W minus U. So for limiting condition, we take summation of H is equal to mu summation of V. So summation of H, WH square by 2 is equal to mu into summation of V, summation of V, W minus U. So we put here the value of W and U. So we take here WH square by 2 is equal to mu into bracket W, weight of the dam, half BH rho W minus upper pressure, half CBWH simplifying this we will get V is equal to H upon mu into bracket rho minus C. This is again the base width in terms of sliding criteria. B is equal to H upon mu into bracket rho minus C. So that is second. So if we neglect the uplift pressure, so upon rho minus C. So the value whichever is greater in this. Also width provided should be the greater than the width given by these two formula.